Yeah, it's Saturday, March the 7th. What I'm working on this morning is adjusting the chain speed and down pressure speed on my HWP Halverson 150. Looked high and low on YouTube videos to see if I could find it, and there's actually no instruction videos on there for doing it, so I am going to make one this morning showing the folks that own one of these how to speed up their processing, because now that I've gotten used to the machine, I'm ready to go faster. So when I first got it, the chain speed was, I don't know, it's average, but it could go faster. I always keep sharp chain on it and stuff, so hopefully we learn together on what to do with this thing. I've got to set the machine up so I'm able to work on the other side of it. So I'm going to partially disconnect. I'm going to leave all the wire and hoses hooked to the machine so it'll function. But I'm going to set the machine flat on the floor to allow easy access to everything. Chain speed is actually controlled by this adjustment here. So we're going to see which way it's got to go, because I'm not really positive about that either. So we'll find out. You got to put a mark on there so I know how far I've turned it. Little black mark. That way if I mess it up, I can put it back to where it was. Try turning it outward first and see if that does the job. I'm going to turn it left. I'm going to go a half a flat. Well, we're gonna check it right there and see what happens. That actually seems slower than what it was. We're gonna find out, that's for sure. So I'll go back the other direction, one full turn. That's a half. That's one. Actually, I'm gonna go 1.5. Right there. I don't know if I gotta snug this up each time, or I can do it once it's adjusted to where I want it, but that was a 1.5 turn. We'll see what it does. Nope, that is slower than what it was. I'm gonna go back the other way. So I turned it counterclockwise out until it got rather difficult to turn. So let's see what it does. This thing originally came with 3/8 bolts. I bought the machine used, and a couple of the holes were stripped out. Plate wouldn't tighten up in there, so I re-threaded it to 7/16, and it works great now. I'll have to go out and try it out here in a few minutes. I got a little red oak log there, real short one, but I'll be able to get a couple pieces out of it anyway. So we'll cut that one.